Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you two different kinds of guns. One is a toy, one is real. And this is my toy gun. I like to play with it a lot. It's very fun to play with.
You keep pointing it at yourself. What do we not do with guns?
Don't point at you.
Yeah. Or you. Or anything we don't want to.
Shoot.
Shoot! Right? Okay, so William showed you his toy gun.
Okay.
I'm going to show you my real gun. But this isn't about the gun. This is about the holster. And that's kind of a weird looking holster, ain't it? It is from Clad. You can get this on Amazon. This is a 25-pound magnet, a rubberized magnet that you can mount in places. If I wanted to, and it comes with attaching screws, but if I wanted to screw this under my table, I could then clear, right? Stick my gun up on there, and then it's going to be stuck on the table, so if I needed it, bam. Right? I can stick the gun anywhere. And as I've gotten a little older, a little more mature, and I have introduced little curtain climbers into the house, I've been a lot more careful with how I store my guns. But I'll tell you a little story. Back when I was 26-ish, just out of the Marines, 6-year tour, so, about 26 or so, I was living out on a farm in the middle of nowhere, basically living rent free just to be a person to scare off folks that came to mess with this guy's cows. And living in an old farmhouse, like an old log cabin, like 1800s log cabin, right? Working at the prison. And, being just out the service and young and dumb and stupid, I had guns duct taped everywhere. I had, even maybe in a Ziploc bag in the back of the toilet bowl, right? And they didn't have these things back then, but it sure would have been a lot easier because I could just, screw this thing in the back of the wood pile in the barn, under the dash of the truck, right? Under the sink, just wherever. And then, next to the bed. And then all I got to do is just pull it right off, right? 25 pounds is a lot more than what a gun like this would weigh. But it's not anything that a man can't break free, right? And because it's rubberized, it will not mar the finish of your guns, right? You can get these things on Amazon. They even come in bigger sizes, 35 pounds. If you had a saw or something that you wanted to mount somewhere, a long arm, a rifle. But this 25-pound one that comes with all the hardware you need to mount it, screws and the rubberized magnet, it's only about $12.80 and free shipping on Prime from Amazon. And I'll put a link in the description in the article that I will post with this, so you can look them at. I've had several different versions, but this is the first one from this company, and I'm pretty pleased with it. I bought a couple of them, and I will be putting them in places, but I don't want to show you where I'm putting them. Right? Does that make sense? So I'm gonna screw this somewhere, and keep it with my gun, right? I've got a couple, so I hope that's useful. Thank you.